Giles Montessori School. Unit 6. The Mystery of Mary Celeste. English Book 5. Reading Difficult Words and Meanings. Mary Celeste, एक जहाज का नाम. A ship found abandoned in 1872 with no clear explanation. Mysteries, पुरस्कार कहानियाँ, things that are difficult to explain or understand. Masts, बादबां, tall poles on a ship that support the sails. Atlantic Ocean, एक समुंदर का नाम, the second largest ocean on earth. Voyage, सफर, a long journey, especially by sea. Dei Gracia, एक जहाज का नाम, the name of another ship that found the Mary Celeste. Strange, हैरानकुन, unusual or unexpected. Rowed, कश्ती चलन, to propel a boat using oars. Climbed, चढ़ जाना, to go up something. Aboard the ship, जहाज पर संवर होना, being on a ship. Discovered, पता चल जाना, found or learned something unknown before. Searched, तलाश करना, to look for something carefully. Damaged, टूट जाना, harmed or broken. Plenty, बहुत ज्यादा, a large amount. Breakfast, नाश्ता, the first meal of the day. Eaten, खा जाना, consumed food. Galley, जहाज की kitchen, a kitchen on a ship. Knows, जनता है, has knowledge of something. Mutiny, बगावत करना, a rebellion against authority, especially by soldiers or sailors. Obey, हुक्म मानना, to follow orders. Crew, जहाज का अमला, people working on a ship. Murdered, कत्ल कर देना, to kill someone unlawfully.